What's up, guys? This is Connor with 4Runner Lifestyle, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of our new warehouse. So we're right here in Springville, Utah. This is where we ship all of our products from. You can see my 4Runner and a bunch of our team drive Toyotas as well. A couple Tacomas as well, but we don't really interact with them. Come in here to the lobby area. Over here, some of our offices. We've got Colby in here, has a black 4Runner out there. In here, we've got customer service and marketing. And this is Andrew and Truman hanging out. Usually it's a full house in there, but in here, this is Carson's office, who runs Tacoma Lifestyle. And then here's my office. And then down here, we're gonna roll into the warehouse area. So here's the warehouse. Over here, we got our wall of grills. Those are just, we've got hundreds of those right now. And then down here, we just got different apparel right here. We got shirts and hoodies. Our new hoodie that I'm wearing that we just came out with is right there. So yeah, it's all apparel down here. And then over here, also just a bunch of products and roto packs, and we got a bunch of pedal commanders here. And side note, if you don't have one of those, probably should. I love mine. Got fulfillment over here where everything gets shipped out and boxed together and leaves out the back door. Down here, we've got a lighting section, Baja Designs, fog lights, pod lights, light bars. This is kind of just all the 4Runner lighting section. Come around here, we got patches and AJT Designs, Miso, a bunch of other products down there. And then down here, my brother who runs Tacoma Lifestyle. This is kind of like the Tacoma Lifestyle section over here. And then we can swing back here to the back of the warehouse. It's kind of a big, wide open area that was meant to be a wide open area, but now it's just filled with boxes and boxes and boxes. So yeah, we just moved in here a little while ago, and we're already kind of like, maybe we need a bigger warehouse already. This warehouse is a massive upgrade from our one before, but 99% of the stuff that we sell is in stock, ready to ship right from this warehouse. And so, yeah, we just try to bring more and more products in-house so we can have faster shipping. But yeah, thanks for taking a tour of the 4Runner Lifestyle warehouse, where we film all of our videos. And this is also where we ship everything out from 4runnerlifestyle.com. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we're coming out with 2 or 3 videos a week right now.